my gorgeous plant people, welcome back to Reading Mindfully. My name is Yana, and today I am showing you what's going on my patio, and so let's just hop right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So like I said, I'm just going to show you what happened to the plants on my patio, because as some of you guys know, Ida was coming through different parts of the country, and she did come through, I think it was Wednesday. And the crazy thing is I had actually watered my plants the day before because I wasn't paying attention to the weather or what anyone was saying, and so I had like watered my plants, and then Ida came through and I thought I was gonna have to take my plants inside. We were getting all these like tornado warnings, but the only thing I did was basically move my plants to the center of the patio, and they turned out to be fine. And so with my patio, the water does come, like the rain does come up on the edges, and so that's why I moved my plants in the center of the patio so that way they wouldn't get wet. Now some of them did get wet, but a day or two after, today's Friday, I don't see any yellow leaves or anything like that, so the plants did really well. So I just wanted to make this video because a lot of people get nervous about putting their plants outside, especially when it comes to, you know, rain and storms and stuff like that. I think I only had 2 plants like fall over because of the wind and everything, and mostly that was because the plants that fell over are in plastic pots, and they didn't have that much soil in the pot. And so one of the plants that fell over was my chocolate aglaonema, and so this one fell over because, like I said, it's in a plastic pot and there's actually not that much soil in there. That's how it was shipped to me. It didn't have that much soil in it, and so you can see that even though the plant fell over, was knocked over, it wasn't damaged. And I haven't made a video showing this new buddy added to my collection. I will do a video because I did get some cool aglaonemas, but I'm so happy to get this chocolate. I did have that. I posted that in a video that I wanted to try again, and so I was happy when I found this one. They are quite expensive, especially in my area. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through and show you how my plants are looking. Like I said, I don't think any of them got damaged, which is really great. And yeah, and then probably in this video I'll move them back to where they were, because I don't think we're gonna get any more rain or anything, so you guys can watch me do that as well. Alright, so I just want to show you guys how I moved all the plants to the center of the patio. As you can see, this big area did have plants here, but I started moving them out because I didn't have any room to walk. You can see more plants here, but then I stopped moving plants because I wanted to show you guys how I protected my plants during the storm. And now if you guys don't live on a covered porch or a patio, I do live on the first floor of my apartment. You guys can put a tarp on your plants if you're not able to bring them in, or you can use any other method to try to protect your plants. But like I said, the water doesn't reach this whole area, and that's why they were well protected. Alright, so one of the things you really want to make sure you do if it is going to rain or it's going to storm is that you either move your plants in an area where they won't be harmed. You want to try not to water them, so don't do like I did and not pay attention to the weather. And you can use like a tarp or something, like I said, to protect your plants. You could always just move them back out, back inside. And then you just want to make sure that they get enough sunlight if they do get hit with a lot of water, so that way you won't have any overwatering or yellow leaves. Like I said, I don't have any yellow leaves on mine because it is pretty sunny and it's warm, so their pots are drying out relatively quickly. Alright, so this is pretty much what my patio looked like before, you know, Ida came through. I did have it more kind of organized. As you can see, I staked up my philodendron ring of fire, but I don't think I like it, so I think I'm just going to take it back off of that. I don't know, something about that just doesn't look right. I have my peace lily and my elbow there in the corner. Oh, and it's giving off the prettiest white leaf. I had to show you guys. This elbow's giving off the prettiest white leaf and a freaking mature leaf. A nice mature leaf. See those lobes? Nice mature lobes. And I'm just like so mad because this leaf is probably gonna fall off, and it's just so beautiful. But yeah, I have my elbow in the corner and my peace lily. You see my variegated burl marks there, and here are just some of my plants. As you can see, the storm did not interfere with my plants, and I staked up my philodendron ring of fire, but I don't think I like the way it looks. As you can see, it threw off another like orangey leaf, which is, it tried to be a half moon, but it didn't exactly get there. And then it threw off this like weird thing here. I'm not sure what that is. But yeah. And then have this area. I stuck my medallion out here because it just wasn't acting right inside. So you know my rule. You act up and you get put out. And my ficus are doing well. More aglaonemas. The plant that's doing really well is my Australian tree fern. If you guys remember, I just cut this plant back in my transformation series, and look at all these new fronds that I put out in just that short period of time. Like this one's new, this one's new, these two are new. Like all the fronds that are really close together are new compared to the fronds that I got inside. You see they're more spread apart. But the ones that are coming out now are a lot bigger and they're closer together, and they're just so beautiful. I've been putting out a lot of fronds. And even my green rubber tree is just like loving life. These are plants that I'm giving away to my friend's friend. But yeah, you have not been affected by the storm. I put my asparagus fern out here, and it seems to be really liking it, although I do have to water it like once a day. But yeah, and that's what that looks like. Alright, so as you can see, my plants have done really well with the storm, and I probably won't do a patio tour just because I'm going to do a houseplant tour anyway, and I feel like that would be kind of redundant. But you did see like a little overview of my patio and how my plants are situated, and they're doing really great. But like I said, if you ever are scared about leaving your plants outside, you just make a little bit of adjustments and they'll be fine. Most plants are even accustomed to being in different types of weathers and conditions, so they'll be great. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel, liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.